Stop winging the conversations. Stop it. You're just calling and you're just hoping for the best. The way you role play is nothing the way you actually talk on the phone. You've never been taught how to have the right conversations. So stop winging it, and it's showing in your results. Sometimes the conversation is great, sometimes it's bad. It's a lot of average. It's a lot of randomness. Well, it's because you don't have the right structure, the right frameworks in your conversation. We're going to go over this in the masterclass where I'm going to show you the framework, okay, of how to have 70% objections taken care of. So imagine I'm taking 70% of the objections away from you because of how you speak, the frameworks of how you're talking. It's not going to be like you're a robot, but you can't be too friendly or too salesy either. So this is going to be like sales training with your script to get listings. Let's go. Click the link below. I'll see you there. You need the listings already. Stop delaying this.